Imagine you run quality for a CNC machining cell. You know tool wear affects part accuracy, but you've never been able to predict exactly when a tool will start producing out-of-tolerance parts. You just inspect and react. A predictive model changes that. You feed it historical data, tool age, spindle load, feed rate, material grade, and the actual measured dimensions of parts produced. The model learns the relationships. Now, when a new tool has been running for 400 cycles with a slightly elevated spindle load, the model predicts a 68% chance of dimensional deviation in the next 50 parts. Your team swaps the tool early, preventing scrap. The key insight? The model didn't just look at tool age in isolation. It combined age, load, and material hardness to forecast the outcome. That multivariate prediction is something no single control chart can give you, and it turns tooling maintenance from a calendar-based guess into a data-driven decision.